interesting question. If one is living in Vrindavan, what is the mood, or the Vrindavan mood, the proper mood, or thinking or feeling to carry within one's heart and mind while living in Vrindavan? We have these Facebooks, Vrindavan Experience, and the Dust of Braj, and many articles about Vrindavan. But actually living here, the first feeling one has, if he's living here, he always remembers, my visiting here or my living here is a privilege, it's a gift. A privilege, a gift, given by Radharani and given by Krishna. I don't know why or how. I certainly have not done anything, any service, or given any charity, or done any sadhana, or performed any austerity by which I may gain the result, or the fruit, or the benefit, or the privilege of living in Vrindavan. Somehow it's called kripa, mercy. Mercy, the very meaning of the word kripa, or mercy, it means no cause. If there's a cause, then it's not mercy. Like, my father is giving me money. That's not mercy. He's your father. Fathers are supposed to give their children money. So that's not causeless. There's a cause. Why are you getting money? Because you have a relationship with your father. He's not giving money to every child, only to you. So there's a cause. But Krishna's mercy, Guru's mercy, Vaishnava's mercy, there's no cause. You can't buy it. You can't buy it. You can't do anything to get it except pray and hope. And if you're fortunate, you get mercy. So the first feeling and mood one has here is that somehow or other, I don't deserve this fortune. I don't deserve this great privilege and gift. But somehow I'm living in Vrindavan.